Microsoft Excel allows us to create some simple descriptive statistics on a dataset using the data analysis toolpack. So I've already got the data analysis toolpack loaded. If you haven't done that yet, you should go to the getstarted.software setup instructions for some instructions on how to make sure that data analysis will appear up here in the data tab. Okay, so under the Data tab, Data Analysis, I'm going to click on Data Analysis here. You've got a few options. We're going to use descriptive statistics. Let's click OK. For our input range, we're going to select the data in column B. Let's quickly review what this data is. We've got three nozzles that are filling juice containers. We've got 100 measurements from each. Samples labelled 1 through 300. The first 100 are from nozzle 1, second 100 from nozzle 2, third from nozzle 3. These nozzles are supposed to be filling 1,000 mils in each container. And we are interested in what the actual distribution of fills is. So let's start by getting some statistics overall for our three nozzles. So we're going to select all of column B here. If we select all of column B, it's going to give us all of the data points. An alternative here would be to actually select the exact data that we're going to use. I've got a label in my first row. If I don't tell Excel that, it's going to give me an error to say that we have some non-numeric data. For our output, we've got a couple of options here. The default is New Worksheet, which is going to create a new sheet down here with our descriptive statistics on it. I like to keep working all on the same sheet, so I'm going to put my output range in here, highlight this, and click where I want the output to start. And then we want to check summary statistics here. That's going to give us the descriptive statistics that we're looking for. We click OK. Let's make that a little wider, and here we've got all of Excel's summary statistics, and I will write out explanations for each of these.